Hey my harmonies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony, and in today's video I'm gonna show you guys a bag unboxing. I'm gonna be unboxing a Chanel. This bag is a vintage style Chanel bag, and lately I've been like really into my vintage items, no matter what it is. If you know, you know, and if you don't, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram and DM me if you guys have any questions. Okay, really quick before I show you guys the bag, I did get a 𝐵𝐶 brooch. This is so pretty. They have so many different styles. I was being so hesitant. I didn't know which one I want to get, but I just decided to get this one because it has the pearls and the diamond rhinestones, and it makes it look all blinged out. With brooches, you can literally put them anywhere, whether it's on a hat, your top, pants. The bag is pretty small. This is the bag that I had got. I am in love with this bag. This is Chanel's Vanity Bag, and I'll show you why it's called a vanity bag if you're not familiar. But let's check out the outside of it. Oh, it's so pretty. So pretty. It comes with a strap, and the strap is a good size, like for me personally, because I am short. So I'm glad this strap is like the perfect size, and I'll show you guys a few clips of me doing some mod shots with this bag. With their vanity bags, they came out in the 1990s, so this is pretty much a vintage bag. As you can see, it has a structured boxy silhouette with a top handle. I like how the top handle is not like flimsy or anything like that. It has like some good sturdiness to it. It has a gold metal zip around closure. They have many different sizes. They have sizes that are way bigger than this or even smaller, but I thought this was like the perfect mini size. It's mini, but it's not too mini. Some people have the mini bags just for an accessory, but with me, I would still want a mini bag that I could fit at least some of my main necessities in. I'm loving the quilted pattern on this as well. I have lambskin instead of caviar, which I kind of wish I would have got the caviar because it's more sturdier than the lambskin. If I was to accidentally scratch this super hard, it will not go away. That's one thing you do want to keep in mind if you want to get this type of bag with this lambskin material. It has a gold metal CC logo in the middle, and then underneath it has the 𝐵𝐶s at the bottom. Now this, I love this design at the bottom. Now I'm going to show you guys how it looks inside. This is how it looks inside. It has the card holders, and my favorite part of this bag is the mirror. Besides this part I really like, but the mirror though, the mirror is perfect on this. I don't have to worry about carrying a mirror because usually I carry a mirror, but I don't need to carry one with this bag. Obviously you can put whatever you want in here, but since this is called a vanity bag, you can put a lipstick right here or a lip product. That's why it has that pocket area right here for that. And then since it is a bag at the same time, you can put your cards right here. Put 3 cards or like double it up and put 6 cards. Yeah, there's not really much to say about this bag. It's just really cute and perfect, and it's a good going out bag or maybe an everyday bag depending on how you style it. Personally, I would mainly wear this bag just for going out, just because you can't fit a lot of stuff in here. I'm not sure if I've shown you guys the back of this bag, but this is how it looks. This is how the mirror looks. And if you want to, you can put the straps in here so you could just hold it as a top handle bag. Yeah, it would pretty much look like this if you do have the straps inside the bag. You can get this bag in white, cream color, pink. Like, I can't even list all of them because they just have so many different versions. I decided to get black just because it's easier to clean and it just goes with most of my outfits. Most likely I will have the zippers on the side just because I want the CC logo to be in the front. And speaking of the zippers, I didn't really talk to you guys much about that, but they do look pretty basic. There's nothing much to say about them. If you don't want to put the straps inside the bag, you can carry it like this or carry it some type of way so it can look extra stylish and use the strap as an accessory. This is my new baby, and this is just the perfect timeless and elegant piece that you just have to have in your collection. I will show you guys some ideas on what you can fit in this vanity bag. I have everything in here now. These are all of the items that I can fit in here. First, we have my phone, my iPhone 13 Pro. It fits inside the bag perfectly. I don't know if I had a bigger phone if it would fit in here, but the 13 Pro fits in here. And I have my phone charger. I have my lip combo for the day. I have my Face Secret Artist Shape and Sculpt lip pencil. This is in in the shade Pink Brown. The style of it kind of reminds me of the Makeup Forever lip liners. Then I have my NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Caro. I have my NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Fortune Cookie. Then I have my hand sanitizer. This one is in the scent Gingham Gorgeous. I have my keys. I did put these pretend cards in here just to show you that you can put them in there. And lastly, I have my travel size perfume bottle. This one is from Veronique Epe. This is a rosy scent. Very rosy, very luxurious, and that is all that you could fit inside this bag without overstuffing it. Since this vanity bag is pretty boxy and structured, you can't really like squeeze stuff in there, but I did leave like a little bit of room at the top just to show you guys that you can at least put maybe like a small snack in there or something else that you may need. Now I'm gonna show you guys a few mod shots of me wearing this bag just to be a size reference for you guys. I am 5 feet. I weigh about 135 pounds right now. That is all for the Chanel Vanity Bag unboxing, try on and review, mod shots, and what you can fit inside of this bag. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and comment down below what other videos you guys would love to see from me. If you're new here and if you love watching beauty, fashion, lifestyle content, girly content, you know, just any content that makes you feel feminine or extra feminine, then you guys would definitely love it over here. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.